Relief at last for markets. Stocks and the dollar posted their biggest gains in weeks after the FBI said no criminal charges were warranted against Hillary Clinton. The news lifted a cloud over the Democrats' presidential campaign 2 days before the US election and put Wall Street firmly on track to snap a 9-day losing streak, its longest in more than 35 years. But the bounce back in Asia and Europe was modest.
That must imply that some investors still believe that there is residual risk that Donald Trump could win the US presidential election, based on the view held by many Trump supporters that Congress is A, aloof, and B, potentially corrupt. So I don't think that we're completely out of the woods on this, despite the FBI decision.
The biggest winner was the Mexican peso, which rose 2%. It acts as a bellwether of sentiment as Trump's proposed policies are considered deeply negative for the country. In contrast, gold, which rose every day last week, saw a 1.3% drop, its biggest fall in over a month. It all meant investors could shift sentiment back to US economic fundamentals.
It appears that whether Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton wins the election, the Federal Reserve seems to be on course to raise US interest rates again in December. That's an important decision, of course, and the markets are, of course, as mindful of that as anything.
They also remember being caught out before, the shock of the unexpected Brexit vote, still fresh in many minds.